So took a pause from Cohen's little Max and Ruby marathon. Max and Ruby. Okay. What you want to talk about? Fun. Was Mommy sick today? Was Mommy sick all day? Did you pray for Mommy? Yeah, I was so sick today. I couldn't even do anything. Ugh. I'm still feeling sick. Like, the only thing that made me feel better was, like, I had to put on some makeup and do my hair. You know, I have to keep it fresh. Even when I'm sick. Just kidding.